Okay, this is a video to correct the first assignment, and we have task 10, page 31. So the task says that you have a line with equation y is equal to kx plus 6 and a curve with the equation y is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2, where k is a constant. So the first question, right, for k is equal to 2, they gave you the value of k here. So the curve intersects the line at 2 points, A and B. Find the distance AB and the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. Right, so the first thing I need to do is to write the equations with the value k is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 6. And the second equation will be y is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 4. So here I have the two equations. After that, they ask you to find the distance AB. So before finding the distance AB, it's very important for me to find the 2 points A and B, right? So I have an equation like that. This is a line. So this is what I have. I have a curve like this, U shape, this one, and I have a line, increasing line like that. So this is A and B. I need to get the coordinates of A and B. It means I need to get the x for A and the x for B. And after that, I will substitute in y, this y or this y, to get the value of the second coordinate. So how will I find the 2 points? I need to solve the system. Y is equal to 2x plus 6 and y is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 4. Right, so y is equal to this and y is equal to this. I have the equality of the 2 parts. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 2x plus 6. I need to solve this simultaneous equation. So let's organize this in a better way. So I will send everything to this side. So x squared plus 3x plus 4 minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Rearranging this, I will have x squared plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Well, I can use a quadratic formula or factorizing. Here, factorization is easy because this one I can factorize it for x minus 1 times x plus 2 is equal to 0. So writing it like that, I will have x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So the final answer will be that x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 2. X is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 2. So writing it like that, this value of x will give you y. So I know that y is equal to 2x plus 6. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 times 1 plus 6, 2 times 1 plus 6. So it's equal to 2 plus 6, which is 8. And when x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to negative 2 times 2 plus 6. So negative 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. Well, don't leave it like that because you need coordinates. So for example, then the 2 points are, for example, I will name A, the first point 1, 8, and B, it will be the point negative 2, 2. Now they ask you to get the distance AB and the coordinates of the midpoint. So let's start with distance AB. So I will be applying the formula, which is XA minus XB squared plus YA minus YB squared. So it will be XA, it's 1 minus negative 2, so plus 2 squared, plus YA, it's 8 minus YB, it's minus 2 squared. So it will be 3 squared, which is 9, and then I have 6 squared is 36. So it will be square root of 45. Square root of 45, I can write it as square root of 9 times 5, so it will be 3 square root of 5 in the third form. So this is the distance, centimeter or whatever unit. Well, you write unit because they didn't give you the unit here. Right, so this is a distance. We are not done yet. I need to get the coordinates of the midpoint. So M is, well, let me write it in the way that you like it. Unit. M is the midpoint of AB, then M is equal to, so the coordinates of this, I just need to add the coordinates of A, XA plus XB divided by 2, YA plus YB divided by 2. So it would be equal to 1 plus -2 is -1, 1 divided by 2. And 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this is the coordinates of the midpoint A and B. Right, so this is for the first question. Now for the second question, find the two values of K for which the line is a tangent to the curve. So here, I don't have the value of K, so I will return to this system. Y is equal to Kx plus 6, and Y is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2K. And they ask you to define the value of K for which this line is a tangent to this. So I will start by solving this. So I need to solve this, write it in one equation, quadratic equation, and then I need to solve it for this discriminant is equal to 0, since I'm talking about a tangent. So let's start by setting the equation. I have x squared plus 3x plus 2k is equal to kx plus 6. Now collect the like terms and write it in a better way. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 2k minus kx minus 6 is equal to 0. So in terms of x squared, I only have the first term. This is 4x, so it will be 3 minus kx. And then I have 2k minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 minus k, and C is equal to 2k minus 6. Now, the line is a tangent. If and only if the discriminant is 0. Well, sometimes in A-level, they require to see the word discriminant is 0. So don't write delta because you didn't say what is the expression of delta. So write it like that, discriminant is 0 is equal to 0. And after that, write what is delta. Delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So delta is equal to 0. Write the equation, after that solve it. So b is equal to 3 minus k, so 3 minus k squared minus 4 times a is equal to 1 here, and c is equal to 2k minus 6, so 2k minus 6 is equal to 0, right? So you can expand it, you can do whatever you want. Here, for example, I can write it in another way, and it will give me the factorization directly, I guess. So the first one, I can write it as k minus 3 squared, and I can put 2 as a factor outside, so it will be minus 8 times k minus 3 is equal to 0. After that, I can put k minus 3 as a factor, so k minus 3 times k minus 3 minus 8 is equal to 0. So rearrange this and write it in a better way, and you will find that you have k minus 3. Well, let me write it here. So k minus 3 times k minus 11 is equal to 0. So I have k minus 3 is equal to 0, or k minus 11 is equal to 0. So first one will give you that k is equal to 3, and second one give you k is equal to 11. Well, if the exercise is about solving the quadratic equation, you need to show your work. You need to say that factorizing using the quadratic formula, don't use the calculator only. You need to show what you used, because the purpose of the exercise is solving the quadratic equation. So with that, I got the two values for which I have the line is a tangent. And that's it for this exercise. Let me know if you need more explanation about that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.